Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while. If you follow me, you know that I have been in Europe for a little bit, so I've just been away, but that is all good. Today I'm back with another video, and it's of course about this beautiful tresses I have on my head. I got my braids done by Ella Kosia. I'll put her information down below. So I am loving braids. I love doing protective styles, but the biggest issue I have with them is that it is itchy. Like, honestly, I am definitely one of those people that are allergic to the synthetic hair. So every time I braid my hair, it is a struggle. I'm hitting my head like crazy. It's just too itchy. I don't know what to do with myself, but it's cute, so I want to keep it. So I really did some research to figure out what I can do against this itchiness, because I couldn't bear it any longer, and I paid a lot to get this done. Okay, so I had to figure out a way to stop this itchiness from happening, and I actually did some research and found out that the solution to this itchiness is actually apple cider vinegar. So a lot of people have tried this, where they put apple cider vinegar in a bottle with water and just spray your scalp, spray everything, and just leave it in for 20 minutes, and then after that you wash your hair and your hair should be okay. Well, I decided to give it a shot and see if that will help me from this crazy itchiness that I go through like every single time I braid my hair. So let me quickly show you guys what I did, and then I'll let you guys know the results as of today. So as you've seen, I just sprayed it on my hair and I actually washed it and conditioned it just to get rid of that smell, because it was disgusting. So after doing that, I actually did put my oils back on my scalp, and you see the hair didn't get bad after I washed it. Like, it's still looking fresh and cute and not crazy. So it was definitely worth it, and I did this 3 days ago. Okay, 3 days ago. So today is day 3 since I did the apple cider vinegar rinse, spritz, whatever you want to call it. And guys, let me tell you, for the past 3 days, my itchiness has reduced by maybe like 95%. Like, when I tell you, my friends know I am the one that is like this 24/7. I say my cousin thinks I already have a brain concussion, because that's all I do when I have braids. But for the past 3 days, honestly speaking, I have not been itchy. Just a little bit here and there, but it doesn't last more than 2 minutes. Or as soon as it gets itchy, I just put my oil in, and that's it. So honestly, if you have this problem with your scalp, or if you think you're allergic to the synthetic braids, wash your hair with apple cider vinegar. I would even recommend that before you braid your hair, take the hair and dump it in apple cider vinegar with some water, leave it in for 20 minutes, let it dry, and then use it on your scalp. I'm gonna try that method next, and hopefully that helps as well. But honestly, putting this apple cider vinegar has changed the game for me. Like, now I can have my braids in peace, without stressing about it and all the pain and like the itchiness. Like, I am so happy with this. So make sure you try it out. Let me know if you have tried it out and what you think of it. And yeah, and if there's anything else you guys also use, let me know. For the oils, I actually just used my castor oil peppermint oil mix. So just put it all over my scalp, and that's it. Like, guys, this is it. This is it. Okay, anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Don't worry, my vlogs are still coming out. If you haven't watched my London vlog, make sure to check it out, and my Dutch vlog will be out very shortly, I hope. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see more of, and I'll see you guys in my next video.